Hello, I'm Amman. I'm a kidney dietitian working at Imperial, and this video will be helpful for you to show you how you can enjoy traditional North Indian foods whilst following a low potassium diet. And I'm here with Jaswinder. Jaswinder, what are we cooking today?
We're cooking two dishes. One's a dal dish, a moong dal without any skin, and the other vegetable dish we're going to cook aloo bingan or aubergine and potato, and also we'll be showing you how to lower potassium by boiling the dal and boiling the potato.
So through different cooking methods.
Different cooking methods,
and
yes.
through different food swaps and portion sizes.
And portion sizes. Hopefully what we cook today is ideal for two people. So the dal, the vegetable dish, the roti and some raita.
Sounds delicious.
These are the ingredients we need for the dal. We got ghee, we got the moong dal without the skin, we got one onion and the plum tomatoes for the sauce. We've got turmeric, salt, garam masala, ginger, garlic and chilies. And these we would wash first, throw the water away, and then we would put some new water in the pan and boil for a couple of minutes. Take the scum out.
Yeah, and that sort of process of boiling and discarding the water sort of bleaches out the potassium.
Yeah, at that point, yes, then that will get rid of some of the potassium. And then we'd throw that water away and then add some new water. That water will stay in the dal as a sauce for the dal. We're going to put some salt in the dal, some turmeric, garlic, ginger and chili. Turn the heat up.
So what are we doing now, Jas?
So we're going to prepare the tadka. We've had the dal on for about 20-25 minutes, so it's cooked through. We'll use this pan, we're going to put some ghee in, then the onion we cut, the diced onion, we're going to put that in the pan as well. Saute that till it's golden brown. And then we're going to put the tinned tomato we blended, so we're going to put some of that in there to create that basic sauce for Asian dishes. And then we're going to add the garam masala we got there, which we kept aside, and then we're going to let that cook. You know when it's cooked because the oil and the tomatoes separate, so you can see the oil on top, and that's basically done. And then we're going to add the tadka into the dal. Leave that to cook for about 10 minutes.
Great, looks lovely.
Yeah. So these are the ingredients we need for the aloo bingan. So we got some cooking oil, aubergine or bangan, a couple of potatoes, a couple of onions and some plum tomatoes for the sauce of the dish. The spices, coriander, garam masala, salt, turmeric, garlic and ginger and the chilies.
Lovely. So now we're going to prepare the aloo bingan. Jas, you want to talk me through what we're going to do?
Yes, I've already peeled one potato, so I'm going to dice this potato before we parboil. Yeah.
And what would you like me to do?
I'd like you to peel the other potato for me, please. What we're going to do is, once you've peeled the potato, we're going to put this for boiling for about 5 minutes. So we'll get rid of the potassium.
Brilliant.
Yep.
So Jas, what vegetables do you like eating?
I really like Karela and okra, but unfortunately, because of my kidney dialysis, I don't really eat those.
You're right, they are quite high in potassium. But you can have them, you can include them in your diet, but it's just being careful of how much you're having and having them occasionally. So with higher potassium vegetables, we want to have a smaller portion and less often.
So we've parboiled these potatoes.
And when you discard the water, that sort of gets rid of the
Yeah,
potassium.
that gets rid of the potassium. And we're going to add some oil, and then we're going to put these in the oven for them to roast. So this is just to get the cooking process a little bit faster. The oven we turned down some time ago, and it's at about 180. And we're going to leave these in for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Yeah?
Okay. So Jazz, now we're going to make the sauce for the aloo bingan. Do you want to talk me through what you're going to do?
Yeah, so in this pan, I'm going to put some oil into the pan. So we're going to add the garlic, and then we're going to saute that off till they go brown. And then we're going to use the onions we've just sliced. And then we're going to add the plum tomatoes which we blitzed. And to that, then we'll add the ginger, the chili, turmeric, salt, garam masala, and the coriander powder. And also fenugreek. So I think, Amman, this aloo bingan is all done.
Oh, that looks amazing, Jazz.
Thank you.
Really good. And I noticed you only used about a quarter of the plum tomatoes in the cooking, which is brilliant because that's the sort of recommended portion size. And as we know, tomatoes can be quite high in potassium. So it's always worth using sort of plum tomatoes as opposed to a more concentrated sauce like puree, for example, which can be quite high in potassium. So Jaswinder, these dishes look amazing. Well done. Should we maybe try them? And
yeah, we can try them.
Yeah.
I'll taste my own cooking.
That's amazing.
Yeah, I think it sounds okay.
It's amazing. Well done. Do you want to try this one?
Yep.
Oh, lovely. So good.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's amazing.